One Metro Atlanta school district is deploying more counselors and mental health professionals to address several suicides that have happened in just the recent weeks. Fayette County Schools, their public school, says it's investing in more support systems so students and staff can find comfort and connection. Our Joe Ripley is here this morning. He spoke with one parent who's doing her part to also raise awareness about mental health.
That's right. A serious topic here this morning, Jonathan. Julie Greenlee was fed up with just sitting back after several tragic deaths district-wide. She's now calling for more support when it comes to those experiencing those mental health struggles.
Julie Greenlee has two kids in Fayette County public schools. Their classrooms hit hard by tragedy after a string of suicides among students and staff in a matter of weeks.
It's a lot, again, being 9 and 12, but it's real, right? That's emotionally or mentally taxing. You want to at least be at the forefront of what's going on.
Don Opara leads Fayette Factor, a nonprofit that uses data to determine solutions to childhood challenges.
It takes something like this to kind of wake people up.
Opara calls the recent suicides concerning, but not surprising.
It's not a school system issue, it's a community issue.
She's tracked an uptick in self-harm and drug use as people try and cope with increased mental health struggles like anxiety and depression.
There's so much stigma. People are ashamed when they need to seek help, or even where to go, what resources that they need to find, and that's hard.
Darlene Lynch with Georgia Appleseed says state lawmakers recently passed a comprehensive school safety law, which includes $20 million to address behavioral health.
There are gaps and just often a lack of understanding of knowing what resources are out there and how to apply them.
Lynch says Georgia falls behind when it comes to its mental health workforce. She urged school districts like Fayette to take part in the state's APEX program, which provides training and tools to address mental health. Julie Greenlee is making T-shirts to raise awareness, reading Fayette Strong, You Matter, We Care. Greenlee says it's her way of being open and honest about a growing problem.
And I don't claim to know all the answers, but I think that doing nothing is definitely the wrong thing to do.
Fayette County Public Schools says the recent losses have deeply affected students, staff, and families in a quote sent to us. These moments remind us how important it is to look out for one another, not only in times of crisis, but every day. Healing takes time, but it also takes community. And in Fayette County, no one walks alone. If you or someone you know is struggling with their mental health, call or text the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988. You will be connected to a trained crisis counselor who's going to provide confidential, judgment-free support.
All right, Joe Ripley with us this morning. We appreciate that reporting, Joe.